Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making some beautiful artwork with DecoArt texture medium. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make some texture art. Americana Decor Texture comes in a ton of different metallic colors. So pick your favorites and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.